and now in Florex. Christina Bontas of Romania.
Open with a double layout. Good position in the air, nice and strong.
Woolsey 9-9 on the uneven bars. Very good score.
Full twisting double back handspring straddle jump. Right through to a double back. Incredible tumbling pass. 2 tumbling passes. All of those were difficult moves combined together to form one tumbling pass. Gymnastics has come a long way in the last few years.
What a dismount, a whip back through to a tuck double back. What a tumbler.
Beautiful.
Christina Bontas of Romania.
Having a terrific day, by the way, a 9-9 on the uneven bars, a 9-9-3-7 on beam. She's going to score well there.
Tremendous.